everyone. It's time for us to go and take a look at iOS 26.2 on the iPhone 12 and see if it's worth installing. Now, I will tell you, if you're on 26, it's probably worth it to install, but iOS 26.2 actually brought a lot of cool stuff to the table. Now, within 26.2, the very big thing to keep in mind is that there's a lot of cool little changes that they kind of threw in here. Number one, within Apple Music, we now have the capability of basically going through and having our favorite songs playlist appear in the top picks on the home tab. Now, I do not have an Apple Music subscription, but that is a cool thing that you have here. And offline lyrics are now available for downloaded songs. So you can view them without an internet connection, which is something that's actually really cool. So now we have that type of capability, which is really cool in and of itself. Now, under the podcast application, we also have a little bit of an update where now it'll automatically generate chapters inside of podcasts. So it makes it a little bit easier for us to kind of navigate inside of a podcast. That's something that's really cool. And the games application also got a pretty big update. So now we can filter our games based off categories, size, and a lot more things too, which is another really cool thing that they kind of threw in there. And there's a lot of other changes. The lock screen now allows us to customize the liquid glass. There's a lot more fixes. There's alarms for reminders now. And there's a lot of other things all across the board. So I would definitely recommend installing iOS 26.2. I think it brings a lot of stuff to the table. And if you're going to go down this direction and install 26.2 is probably the way to go. But you can also wait until iOS 26.3 comes out. But that pretty much covers up this update. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.